So, have you ever designed something that looked good to you, but your client or audience hated it, or your poster got completely ignored on Instagram? Then trust me, you are probably making at least one of these seven graphic design mistakes without even realizing it. And today I am going to expose all of them in the simplest way possible. Most beginners designer think design is about making this beautiful, but real design is about making things clear, powerful, and effective. So, if you are a graphic designer, content creator, or social media manager, this video is going to save your career. So, let's start this video. So, first point is ignoring visual hierarchy. So, first mistake, no visual hierarchy. Many beginners make everything same size, same color, same importance, and result the viewer does not know where to look. Visual hierarchy means guiding the viewer's eye step by step. First, they see your headline, then the subtext, then the call to action. So, how to fix it? Use different font size, bold text, contrast color, and positioning to control attention. Now, mistake number two, no white space. Second biggest mistake, filling everything. Some designer think more element is equal to better design, but in design, less is actually more. How to fix it? Give breathing space to your text and images. White space make your design look premium and easy to read. Now talk about using too many fonts. If your design look like a circus, probably you used too many fonts. 3 to 5 different font is one design, plus fancy cursive for body text. How to fix it? Stick to maximum 2 fonts, one for heading, one for body text, and use bold, light, and regular variation for style. Now we talk about low quality or stretch image. Using low resolution image or stretching them like chewing gum. How to fix it? Always use high quality images. Maintain proportion while resizing. Never stretch logos or faces. Now, fifth number, bad color choice and contrast. So light text on light background, clashing color or random color selection. Learn basic color theory. Make sure your text is clearly readable with proper contrast. So, mistake number 6, designing for yourself. Designing based on your personal taste instead of target audience. How to fix it? Always think from the viewer's brain. Who will see this? What would attract them? Now, last point, no proofreading. Wrong spelling in phone number, name, or CTA. How to fix it? Always double check your text, read twice, then once more, or ask someone else to review. So these were the top 7 graphic design mistakes that silently kill your design. If you want your design to stand out, look premium and convert better, avoid this from today. If this help you, hit this like button, subscribe for daily design and AI content, and comment which mistake you were doing earlier. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep designing smart. Thank you.